Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your iPhone Wi-Fi disconnecting automatically. Step 1. Restart iPhone and router. Start with the basics, restart your iPhone and also restart your Wi-Fi router. Many connection glitches clear instantly after a fresh restart. Step 2. Forget the Wi-Fi network. Go to settings, then Wi-Fi, tap your Wi-Fi name and select forgot this network. Then reconnect by entering the Wi-Fi password again. This resets your Wi-Fi profile. Step 3. Turn off Wi-Fi assist. Your iPhone may be switching to mobile data automatically. Go to settings, then cellular, then Wi-Fi assist and turn it off. Step 4. Disable low data mode. Low data mode can force Wi-Fi to disconnect. Go to settings, then Wi-Fi, then tap your network, then turn off low data mode. Step 5. Reset network setting. If Wi-Fi still drops, do this. Go to settings, then generals, then transfer or reset, then reset network settings. This fixes most Wi-Fi problems. You will need to reconnect to Wi-Fi again. Step 6. Check for VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN, your connection may disconnect. Go to settings, then VPN and turn it off. Also check settings and Wi-Fi, then networks, then configure proxy, then off. Step 7. Update iOS. Go to settings, then general, then software update. New iOS updates obtained fix Wi-Fi bugs. And that's how to fix iPhone Wi-Fi that keeps disconnecting. Try those steps and your connection should be stable again. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.